In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder in Windows 11. Right-click on your desktop or inside a folder, hover over New and click on Folder. A new folder will appear. Type a name and press Enter. Go to the location where you want the folder. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. A new folder will be created instantly. Name it and press Enter. Open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you want the new folder. Click the New button at the top and select Folder. A new folder will appear. Rename it and press Enter. That's how you create a new folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.